Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about Scrum. We're going to be talking about what is Scrum and how is it used. So, what is Scrum? It's a type of popular version of software development nowadays. Okay, so how is it used? Okay, and what is it? So it all begins with the person who basically owns the software and creates the ideas for it, okay? This is the product owner, okay? And the product, and then there's the development team, which the product owner will ask the development team to build this such software, so they'll build that such software, and then they will give it to the customer, okay? And then after that, okay, this is mainly after this, they will give feedback, and then this feedback will go all the way back to the product owner, and they'll see what it, and thanks to the stakeholder, okay, they'll take the feedback and they'll give it to the product owner. Then he'll create the product backlog, which is basically the stuff that they need to improve, and the development team will try to do all the stuff on the product backlog and give it back to the customer to make it even more better. This is mainly the main cycle of Scrum, okay? But Scrum adds a bit more to this, okay? So the person who helps and facilitates all of this is the Scrum Master. And with the Scrum Master, they will do sprints. So what is a sprint? Okay, sprints take around 2 to 4 weeks as a time box. So in the beginning of a sprint, okay, there will be a plan meeting, and this meeting will be held by the product owner, the development team, and the Scrum Master. They will basically decide on the top priorities of the product backlog that the development team can do in one sprint. This is the sprint backlog, okay? So after that, they will continue to work on this. Then every day there will be a daily Scrum meeting, okay? What the daily Scrum meeting does, it asks 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And are there any impediments in the way, okay, or obstacles in the way, okay? So this will continue on until after every sprint. And after every single sprint, there will be a sprint review. This basically, well, reviews the sprint and see what they've done, all the good stuff that they've done, any accomplishments, all the bad stuff they've done, and worse things that happen. Okay, so they'll do that, and then there is sprint retrospective. They'll reflect on it and try to improve and tweak the sprint even better, so that way in future sprints they can even do more better and create better software, okay? So that's basically what Scrum is, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!